The future of smartphones is here. Meet the Huawei Mate 80 Pro, a masterpiece of design, power, and innovation. With a stunning 6.9-inch quad-curve OLED display and a mind-blowing 2K resolution, the Mate 80 Pro wraps elegance and immersion into one seamless experience. The aerospace-grade titanium body and ultra-slim design make it feel like you're holding the future. Huawei's X-Match 3.0 camera system is next level. 200-megapixel primary sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 10x periscope telephoto, 8K video recording, and AI night vision that turns pitch black into a portrait studio. Stunning shots, anytime, anywhere. Powered by the Kirin X2 chip built on a 3nm process with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, it's lightning fast. And with a 6,000 mAh battery plus 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging, you're always in the fast lane. HarmonyOS 5 delivers silky smooth multitasking, AI features that learn your habits, and even satellite communication when there's no signal. Privacy? Top tier, with 3D facial unlock and next-gen under-display fingerprint scanning. This isn't just a phone. It's a statement. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro, redefining what's possible. Are you ready to upgrade your reality? Like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're impressed.